Hello everyone. So I'm Ranjith Swaroop. I'm
Ranjith Swaroop.
and this is my first show here. So apapo tongue roll achna, don't mind. So welcome to the new show, A Little Extra. We all have this habit of asking or wanting a little extra in the favorite food that we eat. Extra cheese in pizza, extra cheese in pasta, extra mayonnaise for grilled chicken, extra chicken pieces in chicken fried rice. Aga mottham soru da mukkiyam. And to be honest, this is also a guilty pleasure that none of us are guilty of. So today we've decided to make an overloaded cheese burst pan pizza, I think we can call it that, with very little cheese and lots of vegetables. Here are the ingredients.
Sound effects naanga potukurom.
So our first component is this pizza dough. I've already made the pizza dough because it needs time for fermentation and all of that. Next ingredient is the pizza sauce. Then I've got some mozzarella cheese for the cheese melt, and I've got lots of corn, lots of capsicum, lots of onion, and I've also got a lot of olives. But our main ingredient is very little mozzarella cheese. Considering I already told you we're using a lot of vegetables and very little cheese, I'm keeping up to that word. Now we're going to make the filling for the cheese burst. A lot of butter. So the cheese sauce for the burst effect is ready, so we'll keep it in the side and then let's get on with the dough. So I will divide it into two portions, 70% and 30%. The 30% will be the top layer of the filling. Just dust some flour. Now going to just divide the dough and take a small portion of it for the top layer. This will go back into the bowl. Killed it. Sheet is done. Now we'll just cook it on a tawa. In the process is because this will be in the middle of the cheese sauce and the tomato sauce and the rest of the fillings. So when you put it in a pan or oven, you can't be sure if it will cook throughout. So the base is done. This is how it looks. And now assemble the pizza. Adukku munadi I have a truth confession. The cheese melt that we made, lighta sothirichu. So if that's the case, put it in a blender and just blend it until it becomes smooth. Now for the next process, this iron skillet is here. I'll grease it with some olive oil. Idella very little, only very little, yeah. All this time I've been sarcastic about quantities, but in this by little I mean little. 70% of the dough that I kept aside, which I didn't cook, I'll place it on the thing. லைட்டாக சொதப்பி சரி பண்ணேன்னு அந்த சீஸ் ஸ்ப்ரெட்டு அதை எடுத்து ரொம்ப கம்மியாக ஸோ இப்போது the cooked piece of dough that I had, I will place it on top and press it down. Put this dough, and I've also trimmed off the sides accordingly so that it will stick to the sides of the base. Idukku mela is the most important part of the pizza. So I prepared this tomato sauce for pizza. I've made it a little chunky. உங்களுக்கு chunky-ஆ வேணான்னா you can always make it and then put it in the blender and make it as smooth as you want. சாஸும் நான் முந்தி சொன்ன மாதிரி கம்மியாக. very little cheese. இங்கே ஸ்டூடியோவில் இருக்கிறவங்க எல்லாரோட சாட்டிஸ்ஃபேக்ஷனுக்காக ஐ ஹவ் லெஃப்ட் சம் சீஸ் ரிமைனிங் இன் த போல். For the forbidden pizza ingredient, pineapple for the win. I'm adding as much as pineapple I can. I'm sorry if anyone is triggered. இங்கே வேணா வீடியோ ஆரம்பத்தில் ட்ரிகர் வார்னிங்னு வேணால் போட்டுடலாம். Just for your satisfaction, I'm keeping some remaining. So now it's all assembled and done. I've preheated the oven also. Yeah, let's see how this overloaded pan turns out. Moment of truth. Cheese full varadu bro. Yeah. So this is how it looks. From me to all of you, cheers. I personally like it. It's rich. It's the bread on the side is crispy, and the base is soft. I just bit of pineapple. Tastes nice. The only thing I expected was the stringiness of the cheese, but hard day. But otherwise it's fine. I will come back with another concept of cooking something extreme. Until then, like this video, comment your suggestions in the comment box, and subscribe to Cookd TV.